Gautam Buddha was born in 563 BC in Kapilavastu, located within the Shakya kingdom at the foothills of Nepal's northern mountains. He was a prince, and his original name was Siddhartha, later known as Gautam Buddha. At the age of 29, he left the royal palace and went to the forests of Gaya, where he performed his initial and memorable austerities. One night, he attained enlightenment, knowledge of truth, under a tree. Gautam Buddha abolished the caste system in Hindu society and taught equality. He laid down 8 principles: living a simple life, respecting humanity, ending the caste system, dismantling the monopoly of Brahmins, refraining from alcohol, gambling, and lies, not considering anyone untouchable, avoiding murder and violence, and recognizing that all humans are equal. He spent a period of his preaching in the state of Magadha, and this religion, Buddhism, spread to India, Afghanistan, Burma, China, and Japan. It is our duty to beautifully carry forward his story, so stay connected with me, subscribe now, and be sure to press the bell icon.